welcome back again to my channel. I am going to be doing a quick and easy makeup routine that I always do, as it's been the most requested video, so let's get right into it. So I go in with the Vanessa Merrick's blurring powder, and it's so nice. It makes my face so smooth and so like just matches with my face exactly. So I just go in with that and I just put it around my face. Next, I go in with my Too Faced concealer in mocha color, and I tend to put it like right at the corner of my eyes, right under my eyes, not too close, but at least something to see. And I put it right under both my eyes, and then of course I put a little bit in the middle of my nose so I can contour that and make my nose a little bit sharper. And of course, with that same concealer, I use it to conceal my eyebrows because I don't really want to do that much with it. So I just conceal it, and it's such an effective way to just do your eyebrows, especially if you don't want to draw on it or something. And I found that it looks very nicer without even drawing anything on it, and it makes everything look so much smoother. And this is the finishing look. It looks so much better, and it highlights and emphasizes my eyebrows without me actually drawing anything on. Now I'm just going to go in and blend in my concealer that I put under my eyes because I've let it sit for a while. I always let it sit for a while before blending it, so it's not too cakey or it doesn't show up. So I just go in and blend all those in together. Next, I move on to my eyebrows, and I just try to, brush out the concealer very carefully without trying to rub off what I've already highlighted already. And as you can see, the result is already coming together. You can see the highlighted part with the concealer, and you can see that, of course, with the shape there already, it looks very smooth and very enlightened. And I love this makeup look for the eyebrows especially. You should definitely try it. Normally I do my eyelashes before I do my makeup, but this time I already have my lashes done, so I'm just filling up the space that I'm missing after I slept. Next, I'm gonna go with Say Beauty's Dew Bronzer, liquid bronzer, and this is in the shade Sail. I mainly put it right at the side of my cheekbone, down below my cheekbones, and then a little bit beside my nose so I can contour that as well, and under my chin, and sometimes of course I put it around my forehead just to make it in. Next, I'm just gonna blend it a little bit with the specific brush that I use that's kind of shaped upward, so I just blend it downward and up in that one area. And this is the finishing touch. Next, I go in with the Huda Beauty Loose Baking and Setting Powder, and this is in the shade Blondie, so it's kind of like an easy bake. And what I do is just put a little bit under my eyes, and I just swap it to kind of make like a wing liner, and all the way to the end. I'm just careful to put it across my nose bridge as well, and then before I start putting it down across to my eye, and then all the way down to where I would want it to sit. So it's kind of like a swooped ending, and then I just keep adding more and more, because if I just add everything together it's gonna be too caked. So I just add a little bit, and then I keep adding more layers as I see fit. And of course, as you notice, I put a little bit at the top of my nose, then I bring a little bit down so that my nose is snatched, it's having that snatched look. Next, I'm just going to put a little bit of Charlotte Tilbury Finishing Flawless Powder on my face. I don't like putting that much because, I don't know, it just feels like it turns my face white. So I just put kind of a little bit under my eyes, around my face, the parts that I actually want to cover a little bit more. And then I just go over my face. Next, I just use the Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Airbrush setting spray on my face, just a little bit before I put any other things. I'm just gonna do my eyeliner, and I'm just gonna get that done since I already have everything set up already. Next, I'm going with the Maybelline Fit Me Press Powder in the shade 355 Coconut. I really like this shade. It matches my skin tone, and I just use this as a finishing touch from everything so that everything is like, set and nothing else is left aside. But I just add just a little bit so it's not too much and it's not overshadowing. I'm going in with my mascara under my eyes because I really love how it pops my eyes. I'm telling you guys, putting mascara both on the under of your eye makes your eye pop out even more. Like, I'm going in with my favorite blush of all time. This is the Juvia's Placements blush or Place blush, and I'm in love with this blush so much. I love it. So I'm just gonna put a little bit on my cheekbones. I do have cheekbones, but I just put like a little bit up as well. But I make sure to put it directly there, and then I swoop it up. I don't know if I have a blush blindness, but I always love putting a lot because I love when it pops out. And of course, I always add a little bit more on my nose, just so, like, that's my blush placement on my nose, you can tell. I'm just gonna go in with my setting spray again, like I always do. This time, this is to set everything together. Next, I'm gonna do my lip combo. Since I'm already done with my face, now I'm just putting it all together. Lip combo is a must do for sure, and it's always gonna be a black lip liner, my favorite to go lip combo. Then I'm gonna go in with my red lipstick, and of course this lipstick is just, from my local beauty supply store, so sells beauty, I think. So yeah, I really love this this lipstick. I found it and I was like, oh my gosh, this is the best lipstick ever. Then I'm gonna go in with my lip gloss just to top it off, because what is a lip combo without a lip gloss? Tell me about it. And I love this. I love my lip gloss so much. I'm in love with these lip glosses. Of course, gotta admire the view to make sure that everything is put together. And of course, let's see the finishing touch. Let's go. And there